Hi guys, this is Ankur. I'm quite excited about the product which I just received from MI. I think you know about it. These are MI Bluetooth speaker. These are the new speaker, not 2015, as they were fine tuned it. So just take a look. If you will see the look, nothing changes here. They have completely 270-gram speakers. They have 3 watt, 2 stereo speaker, 6 watt output for this. So design is similar change, but when I heard the sound, it was outstanding. If you want, just here is the sound peak for this. It's just on 80%. Imagine how much sound it have. Look at the bass effect. I can feel on the table. It is awesome. Let's switch to some other sound. I love it. The bass effect. Silly games acting like we cannot be together. Butterflies when we see each other. I give you it. See the bass effect. I can feel it. Under 2500 bucks you are getting the speaker which is just awesome. Awesome sound. See, you can feel the stereo. Like sound is coming from this side, not from this. You can feel it. Oh my god. I'm not expecting it from them. It's awesome. Seriously guys, I never expected this much of fine tuning from them. It's like completely new. Just awesome sound. Earlier they launched on 1900 bucks on earlier. Now it's 2500 bucks, but it's worth it. It's far better than JBL Go, which I have in earlier. JBL Go is like okay, but it's not that good as like the speakers. It's quite loud and beautiful bass effect. I can say it's 36mm driver unit in it, two 36mm driver unit I would say. So it's better. If you see the sound, you can feel it now. Just feel the bass. I don't know how the sound is on that phone from the speaker. So, but I can feel it. Pure bass. You can feel in every product on the table which I have. I can feel it. It's just awesome. I just love it. See? You can feel the bass. Seriously, it's on 80% now. I didn't put on 100 because it's too loud for me. So I just put on 80. See the feel it. As just they changed to the flagship amplifier, that is AV3102, so on peak it didn't go so much of changes, so it's just like okay, I'll try to see if I have something for peak and sound. I'll check. Oh my god, see the bass effect. This is the 100%. It just manages very good bass. It didn't losing its pitch. Very awesome for it. And I checked for the sound. I tried to talk with my manager over this Bluetooth speaker on, like fan was on. Whenever we are using the headphones, a lot of noise going on. So I tried. Let's see. I said I was out, like not in the room, but he feel very little noise. So it's good. Like it's very good. The mic is like quite. It's not noise cancelling, I would say, but it is just not taking too much of noise from outside. Just what I said, he's just receiving, he's just properly getting it. So I would say good. Out of 10, if you want to say me rate for this speaker, considering the price range, I would say 7.5. It's very good, I would say. For the battery backup, let's check.
Battery power is about 40%.
Like 30 minutes I'm using it, so I would say it's good.